Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna modify the pipes. As you can see, the pipes are not finished yet. I gotta add tips on the end of the pipes and then exhaust mounts. In the previous video, I bought these brass exhaust tips from Lowbrow that I was gonna use on this bike, but I fucked up and I bought the wrong size. I tried to make it work, but I ended up fucking up this one. So I'm just gonna save this one for the next project. And then I thought up a different idea, which is a lot cheaper. I got these 1.5 inch welded rings from my local hardware store that I'm gonna weld to the end of the pipe like this and complete the look pretty much. I got these 2 rings for $3 and I think it's gonna look nice. I'm also gonna be making new exhaust mounts for the front pipe and the rear. And then I found this bracket in my garage that I'm gonna cut up and use for the mounts. And then I got this leftover clutch rod that I'm gonna use for the rear mount. Let's get to it. Alright, first we're gonna cut up this bracket and reuse this area and this area. I'm gonna drill a bigger hole so this bolt can go through. Perfect. For the rear mount, I'm going to be using this existing hole. Next, I'm going to drill a bigger hole for the 5/16 bolt to go through. Alright, got this exhaust bracket made. Just welded the front mount on. Now I'm gonna do the rear. Alright, just welded the rear mount on. Now we're gonna weld the tip to the exhaust. Alright, just welded the rings to the pipe. Let's go ahead and put the pipes back on. Solid. All right, here's the finished product. I think it look a lot better. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys probably saw the post that I made about the pipes. I intentionally made the pipes this way. The rear pipe is the letter S, and the front pipe is letter J, which represents San Jose, the city that I was raised in. But yeah, if you didn't know, now you know. And that concludes today's $3 exhaust tip mod. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.